And as many as 4 chief ministers of the NEDA-ruled states in the region attended the swearing-in ceremony of new Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma. Speaking exclusively to Northeast Live, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh exuded confidence that Sharma will take Assam to new heights. Listen in.
नहीं, हेमंत बिस्वा आने से असम को सीएम बनने आने से मेरा ख्याल में ये ही डिजर्व मतलब मेहनत काफ़ी किया है नॉट ओनली फॉर असम ही इज़ वर्किंग फॉर द इंटायर नॉर्थ ईस्ट तो ये सीएम बन के आने से हम लोग को असम को या नॉर्थ ईस्ट को यूनिटी मिलेंगे और डेवलपमेंट में हम लोग एडवांस करेंगे आई फर्मली
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma also lavished praise on Sharma, saying that everyone is aware of his immense capabilities and wished him luck in the new role.
We have always had a good relationship, even in the past government headed by Sarbananda Sonowal ji, and we have always worked together. The MLAs have selected Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma to lead. I'm sure that everybody knows his capacity and they know that he's somebody who understands the politics not just of Assam but even of the Northeast. And therefore, this will be a very positive step towards ensuring that all the states of the Northeast work together for the overall development of the region and of the specific states also. And I'm sure that Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, with his capability and knowledge of the region, will be able to make a huge difference in the region as a whole.
What are the issues you're looking forward to resolve with this new government that have been going on between Assam and Meghalaya, sir?
There are many issues. Of course, development aspect is obviously one of them. But apart from that, also there are many issues that have been pending for a long time, like the border issue that is there, and many other issues. I'm sure that these are difficult issues, of course. It's not something that we can immediately resolve in one day. But I'm sure that with the leadership like Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, the coordination will be much better. And we hope that we'll be able to find an amicable solution in the problems that we all have.
It's a huge victory for Assam and also for BJP alliance in Assam. And both Sonowal ji and Himanta has shown a big heart and unanimously electing Dr. Himanta. He worked very hard, very efficient, so he'll be a real working horse not only for Assam but for the whole northeastern state, because he's being active as convener in the NEDA also. So we expect big things from his leadership.
मेरा पूरा विश्वास है डॉक्टर हेमंत बिश्वा शर्मा जी का जो तजुर्बा है और उनके राजनीतिक व्यवहारिक जो गुण है और उनकी विद्या बुद्धि, ये सब असम के जनता के हित में बहुत अच्छे ढंग से काम किया जाएगा। असम को एक सर्वश्रेष्ठ राज्य के तौर पे बढ़ाने में उनके तजुर्बा काम पे आएगी और साथ ही साथ नॉर्थ ईस्ट के हमारे जो छोटे छोटे राज्य हैं, इन सभी राज्यों के मुख्यमंत्री के साथ डॉक्टर हेमंत बिश्वा शर्मा जी का एक आत्मिक संपर्क है। तो माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट को न्यू इंजन बनाना चाहता है, उस मंत्र को और भी बल मिलेगी डॉक्टर हेमंत बिश्वा शर्मा जी के नेतृत्व के कारण से। और साथ ही साथ मैं श्री सर्बानंद सोनोवाल जी को भी बधाई देना चाहता हूँ। उन्होंने पिछले 5 साल असम में बहुत अच्छा सुंदर सरकार दी है, असम वासी को खुश रखा है और मैं कामना करता हूँ आप सुस्त रहे और अपना सुंदर जीवन अतिबाहित करें।
At the outset, I give my heartiest congratulations to our Dr. Sharma ji for electing him as the Chief Minister of Assam. He is a dual leader from our Northeast. He will do his best, not only in Assam, only for Assam, but he will do his best for the entire Northeast.